Hi, my name is Josh Browning, and I will be the instructor for the Decision Tree course taught through Experfy in the Retail Analytics track. In this course, we're going to look at some really interesting models. We're going to look at classification and regression trees, and we're going to try to understand how these trees differ from more traditional models like linear regression. We're going to see how they do a good job of modeling complex relationships in our data, and how we can explore different patterns and different relationships that we may find between variables. Once we understand the theory and the main ideas of these models, we'll then move on to applying them in a real-world data set. So for this course, I have a data set that contains product level sales for 50 stores in the Chicago area over a time period of 2 years. So we'll look at how these models can help us understand that data better and how they can help us analyze and predict different patterns and relationships within the data set itself. At that point, we should have a good understanding of classification and regression trees, and so we'll move on to some more complex models like random forests and gradient boosting, and in particular the XGBoost implementation of gradient boosting. With those algorithms, we'll try to understand the advantages and disadvantages that come with them and how they've kind of built on these previous decision trees that we've learned about. And then throughout this course, we'll be using the programming language R. If you're not familiar with R, that's okay, because the focus will really be to look at how we can understand these models and how we can understand how to apply them to data sets, not so much how to write code and how to run code in R. So if you're not familiar with R, you can use Python or some other programming language, and you should be able to keep up and still understand the concepts and the ideas in the course. So I hope you're excited. I'm excited to get started, and I hope to see you in the class.